When I first started here as a service advisor, our process for upsells was pretty much old school. The work order was written up, the technician would do the report. Our multi-point inspection was still carbon copies. When the technician had recommendations, they wrote on the back of the hard copy. The parts departments would do a parts request for the technician. The technician then would walk over to the advisor and let the advisor know if parts were available. Everything was handwritten, not much of a process. Advanced Service has built communication with technician, advisor, and parts, and it's actually made our departments work better together. Advanced Service has had a huge impact on our hours per RO. In February, we were averaging about 1.5 to 1.6. From April to December of last year, we averaged about 2.5 hours per RO. We have taken over 300 or 400 more ROs per month. Our gross per RO has increased to over $200. So we can definitely tell the Advanced Service is working for our store. I really feel that Advanced Service is the best tool you can use to make sure your shop is efficient. If you're struggling with people walking around the shop, the technician hanging out in the parts department, the advisor not at their desk, phones not being answered, Advanced Service will eliminate those issues you're having. If you're trying to find something that's going to help your shop be more efficient, it's Advanced Service.